the silent stars go by, yet in thy dark streets shineth the everlasting.
Hi guys, I'm Cassandra and welcome to another video. So it's finally December and I'm super excited to bring to you all the Christmassy December DIYs that you all have been waiting for. So yeah, this is the first video of this month and I will be posting a lot of DIY videos throughout the month. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for those. And without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So for the first DIY, I'm going to reuse this old glass bottle. So first I'm going to prime the bottle using some white gesso. Here I'm using gesso from Little Birdie, that is Itsy Bitsy Craft Store. I'll mention down all the products that I'll be using in the description box. So make sure you check the description. And if you shop anything from Itsy Bitsy website, you can use my code Cassandra5 to get a 5% discount on your order. And if you have been watching my videos, you already know why I'm applying gesso. It is applied as a primer or a base coat. So I'll just apply one coat of it and leave it to dry. Once the gesso is dried, I'm applying some red acrylic paint. So if I had not applied the gesso, I would have to apply 3-4 coats of red paint to cover up the bottle. But since I have applied gesso, I have to just apply 2 coats of the red paint. And once the red paint is dried, I'll cover up this top portion of the bottle with some white wool. And I'll stick it with the help of some silicone glue. So once I've covered it, I leave it aside, and next I'm taking a white felt sheet and cutting out a strip of around 3 cm wide. And again I'm taking some silicone glue and adhering it at the bottom of the bottle. Next I'm cutting another strip from black felt sheet, and this is around 4 cm wide. And I'm adhering it to the middle portion of this with the help of some silicone glue. And lastly, I'm taking some white half pearls and sticking them here like this. And I'm also taking a diamond stone chain and creating a rectangle of sorts here like this and adhering it with some silicone glue. And here I have my Christmas father themed bottle decor made from reusing a completely waste glass bottle. You can use this to decorate your home or gift someone. And I absolutely love this DIY. The next DIY is this super easy Christmas tree table piece. I previously made a video on this when very few people used to watch my channel, and since now way more of you watch my videos, I thought of recreating it with clear instructions, unlike the last one which was completely out of frame. So like I said, this is super easy. All you need to do is cut out a square from a green paper. Here I am using a green chart paper. I have cut out a square of 30 centimeters into 30 centimeters. You can increase or decrease the size as per your requirements. Next, I am marking 1.5 centimeters on this end and drawing a line. Then I am keeping this corner as a fixed point and marking 28 centimeters throughout the paper like this. And then I am joining the dots to form an arc. Next, I am cutting out the arc portion and I get something like this. Then I'll fold along this 1.5 centimeters line that I had marked. And I'll apply some glue onto this portion. Here again I am using silicone glue. So I'll adhere the ends like this and form it in the shape of a cone. Then you need some garland decor like this, which is easily available in the market this time of the year. So all you need to do is wrap the decor around the paper cone and secure it with some silicone glue, or you can even use hot glue. And I'm adding a star ornament on top of the tree. And I'm also creating some cute little bows from red ribbon to decorate the tree. And this is how it turned out. For the last DIY, I'm creating the mandatory Merry Christmas banner. So to create this, I'm using some waste cardstock paper that I had. You could totally use any thinner paper like chart paper. So first I have cut out a piece of paper of measurements 4 into 5 centimeters. Then I'm drawing the alphabet M inside it and cutting it out. Next, I have taken a piece of white paper of measurement 6 centimeters into 7 centimeters and I am adhering the alphabet onto the white paper with the help of some glue. Then I am taking a piece of green paper of measurements 8 into 12 centimeters and cutting out the bottom portion like this. Then I am adhering this white paper onto the green paper. And then I am punching 2 holes onto the top portion like this. Next, following the same process, I have created all the alphabets and my frame is too small for the banner. Anyways, lastly, I'm taking some red wool and passing it through the punched holes. You could also use a red ribbon instead of red wool. I'm sure if you use a red ribbon, it will look way better than this. I didn't have a red ribbon, so I decided to use the red wool that I already had. So yeah, this is it, and finally let's put it up on the wall.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
And yeah, if you like this video, make sure hit the like button, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video. Bye.